2021 is not exactly having the best start. Okay, that might be an understatement, but we can't really affect what's going on in the world. Even though we can't affect what's going on around us, there are many things we can do to make our lives a lot better this year. In this video, I'm going to share 6 tips on how to make this year better than 2020, using lessons I learned in 2020. 1. Find yourself a hobby. There are going to be a lot of times where you're just stuck at home. If you don't find yourself a hobby, you'll just end up mindlessly scrolling through social media and every day will feel meaningless. I did a small test on myself, where for 1 week, I wouldn't work on any YouTube videos. That week felt horrible and I felt aimless. I ended up spending every day trying to find stuff on the internet to consume. Each day seemed pretty slow, and I wasn't excited to wake up at all. You most likely experienced something similar to what I described, and by having a hobby, you can fill that void. If you don't know where to start, that's fine, and it can even be a good thing. If you don't know where to start, you can keep trying out different hobbies that might interest you. If you do know where to start working on that hobby during your free time. 2. Appreciate more. I thought I was going to get everything I wanted in 2020. It turns out I was completely wrong. If there's one big lesson I learned in 2020, it's that you should appreciate what you have more. There's so much negativity going on outside, and it can really get in your head. If you let all the negativity and bad news get in your head, you start thinking about how everything's not going to be okay. Things might currently look bad, but you have to believe things will get better, because hopefully it will get better. I found that taking some time every day to appreciate what you have helps prevent all the negativity from getting to you. It can help keep you sane and level-headed during tough times. I like practicing gratitude during the nighttime, but you can also do it during the daytime. Just taking a few minutes every day to appreciate what you have can help improve your mental health. 3. Set some goals for yourself to accomplish. By setting some meaningful goals for yourself to accomplish, you can make the upcoming year a lot better. There are 2 main reasons why you want to do this. First off, setting goals can give you an outline of what you would be working on and give you a sense of direction. Without any goals, you'll feel aimless and you wouldn't have anything you're working towards. If you need some ideas for some goals to set, think about how you want your life to be in these 4 areas: health, wealth, love, and happiness. Second, setting goals and accomplishing them feels amazing. Every time you accomplish one of your goals, your confidence goes up because achievement is one of the best ways to boost your confidence. When your confidence goes up, the way you view a lot of situations change for the better. You'll see the world differently in a good way. 4. Be on the lookout for opportunities. Even if things look bad, there will still be opportunities to make things better. In 2020, a lot of people lost their jobs during the pandemic, and unemployment rates were high. People in that situation could either just complain and accomplish nothing, or jump onto opportunities presented. Some people started learning how to make money online in order to make ends meet. No matter what situation you find yourself in, there will always be opportunities to make your life better. Be on the lookout and be ready, because there might be opportunities everywhere, but you might just be blind to it. 5. Keep in touch with your friend group. 2020 has taught us all how important connections are. Even if you're more introverted, not having anyone to talk to for a long time feels terrible. We lost the ability to connect with other people through in-person events in 2020, and hopefully, we can get that back in 2021. In the meantime, get used to connecting with people through voice calls. You want to keep in touch with your friend group so that you don't get lonely. Humans are social creatures at heart, and too much isolation is dangerous. If you don't have a friend group that you can talk to, try making some friends online. It's hard making connections online, but the easiest way is by joining a community that shares a common interest. You will have something to talk about and connect over with other people in that community. 6. Take care of yourself physically and mentally. 2020 was a terrible year for physical and mental health. Gyms were closed and people were isolated at home. In order to make 2021 better, you have to take care of yourself. For physical health, if you don't want to go to a gym, you can still do exercises at home or just go for some walks outside. Exercise is important because it boosts your mood and energy levels. For mental health, be honest with your feelings and realize it's okay not to be feeling 100% sometimes. If you're feeling down, do something that can help you feel a lot better. Mental health is a very important issue, and I didn't go over it in depth in this video. So if you want to know more on how to take care of your mental health, find some videos on YouTube that'll tell you what you need to know. If you can take care of yourself, your mood will be a lot better and you can make the upcoming year more enjoyable. No one knows what the future holds. Maybe things will get a lot better or get a lot worse. Even though you can't control what is going on around you, you can still control certain aspects of your life. Focus on what you can control and improve, and you can make this year a lot better than the previous year. How has 2021 been treating you? Leave a comment below and check out the video shown on the end screen if you like this video and want more content.